rice flour, whole wheat, bread flour, normal flour. We have all the flours. Hi, I'm Nara Smith. We're on the set of Top Chef Canada, and I'm chatting to Flavour Network today. Getting diagnosed with an autoimmune disease made me look at food a little differently. Instead of processed food, we're doing from scratch food now. For convenience, sometimes it's pasta or ice cream that I buy. Flour, rice flour, whole wheat, almond flour, oat flour. We have all the flours. Sometimes candy can be finicky. Getting your sugar to the hard crack stage, sometimes if you look away, it burns. Or making marshmallows sometimes. That is so hard because I cook so many dishes. But right now, probably ice cream, mac and cheese, or they love a good oatmeal. Like very simple things, broccoli, weirdly enough. I love Asian-inspired food. Thai, Vietnamese, Japanese, anything within that realm I really love. I just want to get yelled at by Gordon. Honestly. This is my first time in Canada actually, and it's such a quick trip. We had really good dinner at Linny's last night, which was phenomenal. We had their shake and bake chicken, bone and tenderloin. It was just overall, the protein was so good.